Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this device. We need to wake up the screen on our device, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Looks like this. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on the plus button. Then we can set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on the hours and minutes. Then we can tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we can select how often it should repeat. And we have only once, daily, and custom option. If you select custom, you can select specific days. So once you select the days on which the alarm should go off, you can tap on the check mark, and the alarm should be, or rather it should move you to the settings here, and we can also enable the option to smart wake if you want to, or we can change the repeat option if you want to change it. And once you are done, you can tap on the check mark and the alarm will be enabled. And here we have it. You can also have multiple alarms like this. You can turn them on or off. And of course, if you tap on the alarm, I keep missing the button. Come on, go back. Oh, okay. And if you tap on the alarm itself, it will open the settings and you can basically customize it if you want to. You can also remove the alarm by tapping on the bin icon. And once you're done, you can swipe right to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.